Welcome back. In this video I will guide you how to insert automatic update date and day in MS Word and how you can make it as your default date. For this you need to click on the insert, and on the right side in the text group you will see the date and time. You need to click on that, and here you need to select the language to the English United Kingdom. You can change even English United States, but in my case I'll select the English United Kingdom. So you need to select the Georgian calendar type, and then you need to select the format of your preferred choice. I'll happy with that, Wednesday 8 April 2026. And now you need to click on this checkbox update automatically and make it set as default. And now, do you want to change the English United States Kingdom default date format to match Wednesday? Yes, of course, and click OK and OK to apply. And here you can see that. So whenever you type date, this will be automatically updated in this tile. The shortcut to insert the automatic date and day, you need to press Alt Shift plus D, and here you can see that it will be automatically insert in that style. So I hope now you understand how you can insert automatic update date and day in MS Word. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.